Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dotto. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 3 from the exercise 13.2 of your book class 10 under the chapter surface areas and volumes NCERT Mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. Is shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeters and diameter 2.8 centimeters. Pi equal 22/7. So to proceed to the solution, we must have this pre-knowledge first. Number 1, we must know about the mathematical expression which is used to find out the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r square into h, where r stands for the base radius of the cylinder. Number 2, we must know about the mathematical expression which is used to find out the volume of a hemisphere, which is half of a sphere, which is 2/3 into pi r cube, where r stands for the base radius of the hemisphere. So to be very clear, let us draw this diagram first. A rough diagram. Right here, gulab jamun of combined forms. Gulab jamun of combined forms. We can write within bracket cylindrical oblique hemispherical. After this, let us show the total length of each one of the 45 gulab jamuns. Length according to question, which is 5 centimeters. After this, let us show the diameter of the gulab jamun, which is 2.8 centimeters. Right here, diameter. After this, let us show the base diameter of the two hemispherical parts at the two ends, the measure of which will also be equal to 2.8 centimeters. After this, let us show the base radius of both the two hemispherical parts at the two ends, as well as the base radius of the cylindrical part. So right here, base radius, which will be equal to 2.8 by 2 is equal to 1.4 centimeters. So 1.4 centimeters. After this, let us show the perpendicular length or height of the two hemispherical parts. Right here, perpendicular length or height or radius radius, which will be equal to 1.4 centimeters. 1.4 centimeters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Write in this way. Here the total length, where the total length of each one of the 45 gulab jamuns L is equal to 5 centimeters, which is according to question. After this, proceed in this way. Diameter equal to 2.8 centimeters. This one 2.8 centimeters. This is also according to question. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the measure of the base radius of the cylindrical and each one of the two hemispherical parts at the two ends R is equal to half of 2.8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. If we do cancellation here, we will get 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, that will be 1.4, which is equal to 1.4 centimeters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the measure of the length or height of the cylindrical part is equal to total length 5. So we have 5 here, and we have two hemispherical parts, each of measure of 1.4 centimeters. So we have to deduct that from 5. So it will be 2 into 1.4 centimeters. 2 into 1.4 centimeters, which will be 5 minus 2, 14 are 28. That means 2.8 centimeters. If we deduct 2.8 from 5, we will get 2.2 centimeters. After this, let us proceed in this way. Therefore the volume of each one of the gulab jamuns, therefore the volume of each one of the gulab jamuns is equal to the volume of the cylindrical part plus 2 into the volume of any one of the two hemispherical parts, which is again equal to the volume of the cylindrical part, pi r square into s. So we'll write pi r, that means 1.4 whole square into s, that means 2.2 pi r square into s, plus 2 into the volume of any one of the two hemispherical parts, which will be 2 by 3 into pi r cube, that means 1.4 whole cube. The unit will be centimeters cube. After this, let us proceed in this way. Now if we take pi into 1.4 whole square, as common, we will get pi into 1.4 whole square. We will get here 2.2 plus 2 to the 4 by 3 into 1.4. The unit will be centimeters cube. After this, let us proceed in this way. In place of 1.4 whole square, we will write pi into 1.4 into 1.4. Here we will write 2.2 plus, if we multiply 1.4 by 4, we will get 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4, plus 1 5, that means 5.6 by 3. So the unit will be centimeters cube. After this, let us proceed in this way. This is equal to pi. In place of pi, we will write 22 by 7 now. 1.4 into 1.4. So if we take 3 as LCM, we will get here 6.6. 1 to the 3, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 6, that means 6.6 plus 5.6. The unit will be centimeters cube. Now if we do cancellation here, 7 to the 14, so we will have 0.2 here. After this, if we multiply 2 and 14, we will get 28. And if we 2 14 is 28, if we multiply 28 by 22, we will get 2 8 is 16, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, again by the same number, so we will write 6 here, 5 here. Now if we add these elements, we will get 6 here, 11, 5 plus 1 6. We had 2 decimal points, so the decimal point will be put here. So it will be 6.16 into, if we add these two terms, we will get 6 plus 6 12, 6 plus 5 11, plus 1 12, that means 12.2 by 3 centimeters cube. Now if we divide 12.2 by 3, we will get 3 4 is 12. So after this, we will get here 20 in the remainder. So 3 6 is 18, 2 left, again 20, so 3 6 is 18. So this will be equal to 6.16 into in place of 4.066 we will write 4.07. So this will be approximately equal to 6.16 into 4.07 cubic centimeters. Now if we multiply 616 by 407, we will get 7 6 are 42, 7 1 are 7, 7 1 are 7 plus 4 11, 7 6 are 42, 7 6 are 42 plus 1 43. So we will get 0 here. 4 6 are 24, 4 1 are 4 plus 2 6, 4 6 are 24. Now if we add these elements, we will get 2 here, 1 here, 7 here, 7 here, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5, 2. We had 2 decimal points, so we will put the decimal point after leaving 4 digits from the right side. So it will be approximately equal to 25.07 cubic centimeters. So we have got the volume of 1 gulab jamun. So therefore the volume of 45 gulab jamuns is equal to 25.07 into 45 cubic centimeters. Now if we multiply 2507 by 45, 2507 by 45, we will get 5 7s are 35, 5 7s are 35, 3 left, 5 0s are 0, 3, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 4 0s are 0, 2, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. So this will be equal to 5, 8 plus 3, 11, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, 2, 1, 1. We had a decimal point after 2 digits from the right side, so it will be 1128.15. So this is again equal to 1128.15 cubic centimeters. So we have got the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. So after this, write in this way. Therefore the required volume of syrup, therefore the required right here required, therefore the required volume of syrup is equal to 30% of 1128.15, 30% of 1128.15 unit will be cubic centimeters. This is again equal to 30 by 100 into 1128.15 cubic centimeters. 0 cancel. Now if we multiply 1128.2815 by 3 we will get 1128.15 by 3 we will get 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4, 3 8 ja 24, 3 8 ja 24, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. We had a decimal point here, and as a denominator we have 10, so this decimal point will be shifted to this place, which will be 338.445. so this is approximately equal to 338 cubic centimeters. This is the answer. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.